Alleged Fluffy.
And most importantly, everyone tells the truth. Yes, you.
Do we say Dad Fluffy or Dad Fluffed?
Allegedly.
Either.
What about he was baking brownies?
Allegedly.
Enough. Okay?
Yes, Your Honour.
Ooh, I like that. Fourth rule. Everyone calls me Your Honour.
Hey, hang on.
Oh yeah, your side. Make it quick.
Here, come here. Check it. Mum was here sleeping, looking gorgeous as usual.
Oh well.
Hey, you're trying to make Mum like you more.
I got up, went downstairs, and got embroiled in this mess.
Hey!
What?
You missed the bit where you Fluffy, allegedly.
It just doesn't sound like the sort of thing I do.
Oh, yes it does.
What?
An idea? Is this what you had for breakfast yesterday? Baked beans on wheat toast?
Yep.
Bingo. What's the Fluffy level on this? High. Thank you. And then what did you have for lunch, Mr. Healer?
Ah, just some sauerkraut?
Excuse me?
Sauerkraut.
Bingo. Fluffy level. Now, we had dinner at Indy's house, didn't we?
Yep.
Can you tell us what you ate?
Yeah, I'm not sure I ate much.
Mr. Healer.
Okay, I had a vegan nut roast.
Oh dear. Anything else?
Nothing comes to mind.
Really? Nothing from the petrol station on the way home? That might have...
Oh, look at this. I will have this one day in one of my houses.
This won't keep that comfortable.
Y'all, and the fucking mushrooms, so cute. And this concrete. I think this bed's really cute, and it has like the little drawers. That's really cute. And then like the mirror and the dresser. Okay, we are now at IKEA, looking around, seeing if there's anything that we want to get. Looks like these are coffee tables? Huh. Okay. What are your thoughts, sir?
I like this.
Comfortable?
Yes. I take 2 of these.
So there's this one. And then there's this coffee table. We should probably buy a couch first. Just imagine like barbecuing, and then you have like the steak and your man, and he's shirtless and barbecuing. Then there's like this room. This is very homey. Come here. They put so much detail, like it's a whole house. Oh my gosh. I like this vase. And then there's like the bathroom, a kid's room. It's so cute. And then like the door. And then guys, this little cart is exactly what I was talking about I wanted in one of my last videos for my restroom. So I can take, like, I can put all my bath stuff on here. And this is only 25 bucks. I might get it, but I also might wait. Y'all, look how sleek and nice and classy this looks. This one's super homey. And I feel like this is like the perfect combination of the two. These chairs. You just put so much thought into it. And then here's like the patio. These are definitely lights I want to get for the patio. Most definitely. This is cute actually. And like this chair alone is really cute. $470, crazy. They have this table, which I like this table actually. Yeah. It's $4.39. Not too bad. It's cute. Ooh, and I really want one of these too for the door. $140. Oh, isn't this cute? Tell him we need another kid because the pink, the red, adorable. You cannot tell me that's not cute. It's giving that episode. Second favorite crystal shop. Okay, let me see. $12 to $10.
Oh, that's
Okay,
not bad.
I'm gonna give y'all a haul of what I got. First, I got this candle. It is for money, because obvious reasons. And then I got this necklace. I've been really needing one of these. So I got a evil eye necklace. Evil eye is good for like protection against like negative energies. And then I got a bunch of crystals. I got 2 balls. I got one for my man so he can carry it on his keychain or wherever he wants to put it. And then I got one for myself because I want it on a necklace. I got a pink amethyst. I got a rose quartz. This one is for my man. If you know, you know. I got a honey calcite. Oh, she's so gorgeous. And then I got a cellulite. Or honey cellulite. This is a calcite. Sorry. And then I forgot the name of this one, but I'll definitely put what they're for and the names on the screen. Oh, she's pretty too. Majority of them are for like happiness, wealth, prosperity, good energy, that type of vibe. And then my man's is for love, companionship, all that. You know, I gave him one whenever we first got together, and I mean, it must have worked, right? We got this mat for the door. It was literally $1.99. We didn't get any furniture. We just kind of went to look and to see what we wanted to get and get an idea, inspiration. We saw a couple couches that we liked, but I don't think anything that we'll probably go back and purchase. I also got light bulbs. What else did we get at IKEA? Oh yeah, and 2 lint rollers. That's it, nothing special. Playing FaceTime. Hi pretties. Most definitely a different angle than I usually film in. This is just the other side of my kitchen. I haven't talked much this video, but I'm home. I just got off work and I'm cooking dinner and I need to clean up the house just because I don't want to be doing it all day tomorrow. So let's unwind this house, or let's close this house. I don't know. Whatever, you get it. Let's clean the house, okay? These are the dishes from last night. because I'm just waiting on my man to send me the money. Sliders that you sent me. No? Huh? This is what I made for dinner tonight, just a hamburger helper. Hi, good morning. I just woke up and I was trying so hard to sleep in. My kid was not letting me. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Okay, hi, good morning. Just try to do this. Okay, hold on. Good morning. It's like 9:30-ish, and I got my groceries delivered today. My man's car's in the shop, so yeah. Anyway. I guess I'm gonna give out grocery haul. So I got 4 juices. I got tropical punch, watermelon, peach punch, and berry punch. We go through juices, and I like to be stocked up. I got things to make tea. I got hamburger meat. I got 2 things of hamburger helper, just a quick meal if we need it. I got Hawaiian rolls so I can make some type of like sliders or something. I got creamer. I got more coffee because I was out. I got vanilla syrup. I have not tried it yet, so I'm excited. I got milk. I got shrimp and green beans. I should have ordered more green beans, but hey, I might do a whole nother haul, a whole nother grocery order. I got sausage. I got corn dogs because these are the ones that, right now this is my fixation, so. I got this stuff. This shit is so good. Like, if you put this on chicken or pork chops, it's so good. Definitely adds like a good flavor, mix up your meals if you need that. I got this sauce to go over pork chops or chicken. Probably pork chops though. Again, just to have another mix up of everything that we usually have. I got sugar, brown sugar, because I have yams in my cabinet that I need to cook like ASAP. And then I got cheddar cheese, Velveeta, because he wants to do rotel. I got 2 of these, like off-brand rotels. And then I got chili. And then red potatoes. I'm not gonna lie, my favorite potatoes are russet, but I did golden last time and they weren't bad. And then I got red because I want to make like green beans like potatoes, and I feel like green beans and potatoes are better with red, you know? And then I got eggs. That was my first look at them. They're good. And that's it. So now I gotta put this away and make her breakfast so I can get her down for a nap, because she's already, about that time, she's already rubbing her eyes and shit this morning. Hi pretties. I don't really know what happened in this video. We went to IKEA, we went to home furniture stores. I didn't really end up getting much. I made some dinner. What else did we do? We cleaned up the kitchen a little bit, not too much. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna end the video here. It's days later actually. I'm gonna show y'all what I've updated the house, kind of. It's not gonna be permanent, definitely not until we get more furniture, like a couch and dining room table, which is coming. It's just gonna be a slow process where I really wanna find one that I'm in love with. I want this couch to stick with me for a long time. So I'm thinking about either just buying like a $150 futon in the meantime, or just waiting it out to get a couch I'm in love with. My man is having car problems again, so it's been a rough couple days. I'm having a really rough emotional day, like really bad. I ended up leaving work early. It's a whole thing. I want to eat some lunch, and then I just want to go upstairs and color and chill. But I'm gonna show y'all my update to the house real quick. Y'all know this area. This is just like storage, and I'm thinking about, when I get a dining room table, moving this to here. But for now, it's just gonna stay there with my fish, or I don't have fish. What are these called? With my turtle and frogs. And then I definitely might move this over a little bit and then hang up. I have this thing that hangs up on the wall so we can put our brooms and mops. That will probably go there. This kennel I might move over here instead of that. I don't really know yet. And then my daughter's things, Okay, so this is this little area. This was originally over here with just random shit on it, but I moved it right here and I kind of organized it just to the best right now. I definitely want to get more furniture, but for now this will be fine. So I have like a photo collage, some photos, some plants, these tulips, they're fake. My man got me when we very first started dating. I have these blankets, and I want to get a big woven basket to throw them all in. And then these are my daughter's toys. And then I have just shoes. And then this needs a home. I just don't have one yet. And then my photo albums. And then her stroller, which I think we're going to get rid of because I want to get like a smaller one. This one's just super bulky and I don't have any space in my tiny little apartment. This is the fireplace. I'm gonna try to get some Christmas content soon. So hopefully that works out. Stay tuned. This is my dog bed, and then we have our TV that's mounted. And then just nothing like cute. I want a carpet for down here? Maybe. I say maybe because this little girl likes to piss everywhere. So I just have our rocking chair here for now that we just sit on when we're down here. And then I have my little desk area. This will definitely be put upstairs, but while we don't have furniture, we use it to sit on. So for now, it's just gonna stay there. And then y'all know this area already. Let me see if I can turn on the light. Okay, so this area is like our little thing. I'm thinking about maybe moving this into this area, or even over there, or even right here. I'm not sure yet. And then I want to get one of those like shoe holders that have like the little jacket. Maybe I'll insert a photo, but I definitely want to get something for here. And y'all seen like one of my videos when I was at IKEA, something like that. I want it right here. I have my dog stuff right here, and here's pretty empty. I think I just have animal stuff, and I have just shoes that I wear every freaking day. And then my 2 extra purses that I like to grab. And then we have this little mat that I got from IKEA. It was $1.99, and that's why I got it. It's actually super durable, and yeah, I kind of like it. And then that's it. And then upstairs is upstairs. Nothing upstairs is too like grand. Yeah, I think it's just cute for sure. My kitchen looks the same. This needs to go upstairs. That needs to go in my car. Rolls need to be put up. This needs to go put up. This I want to put in my journal, so I'm gonna put that right here. My kitchen's dirty, so don't mind it, but my kitchen hasn't changed at all. This needs to be better organized, obviously, but nothing crazy. I want to get organization for down here. But yeah, that was just an update. If you have any inspo, any ideas about what I could definitely make this space, because I definitely want it to be homey. So maybe some curtains. I don't know, but I need advice. We're trying to upgrade in 6 months, so I'm not even sure if I should be doing too much here, but I really, really want to. So yeah, give me advice. Let me know what y'all think. And again, thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Subscribe and comment a black heart emoji. Okay, love y'all.